Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to place a trade on DXtrade, step by step. Placing a trade on DXtrade is super simple. Once you're on the platform, you'll see a few different layouts like standard trade or charts. You can open a trade from any of them. To start, choose the asset or symbol you want to trade. Then click buy if you think the price will go up, or sell if you think it will go down. A trade window will appear. Here, you can select your lot size, confirm your symbol, and choose your order type. You can pick from market, limit, stop, or OCO orders depending on your trading strategy. Once you've set everything up, click Send Order and your trade will be placed instantly. You can also open trades directly from the Charts tab. Just click on Buy or Sell from there and follow the same process. Alternatively, go to the Trade tab to use your watch list. Find the instrument you want, click Buy or Sell, confirm your order details, and hit Send Order. And that's it. That's how you place a trade on DXtrade quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.